Okay, so this tutorial is going to show you how to make a wheel for your 3D Derby car. So first things first, you're going to have Inventor open. Start with a new part. Give it a minute to boot up. Once it's open, we're going to start a new 2D sketch up here. And I'm going to click on the XY surface, this plane right here. And then I'm going to grab a circle. That was up here in case you missed that, so circle up here. Click right here in the middle. And I want this to be 1/8. So the decimal equivalent of 1/8 inch is 0.125. Enter. And this is where the axle is going to go through on the wheel. I can make another circle sharing the same point here and make the wheels 1 inch, like that. And then I'm going to hit Finish Sketch, and I'm going to extrude this surface right here, or this area. And the wheels are going to be 1/4 of an inch deep. So I'm going to do 0.25, like that. Click OK. And then, the last little bit here is I'm going to hollow out this wheel. So in order to make the wheel print faster on the 3D printers, I'm going to use the shell tool right here. Click this surface, and the 1.1 thickness is a pretty good one. We can stick with that. We'll say OK. I've got that look right there. Looks pretty good. Then I'm going to use my fillet tool to round these edges here and here. Looks pretty good. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. That's a little bit too much. I'm going to do 0.1 and see what that does. That's a little better. I'll click OK. Cool. So there is a very basic wheel that would work for to print out. This is a very simple one, but it works well. You can make it fancier if you want. You can add some more fillets in here, maybe one right here and here. And just make these smaller. Let's say 0.05, maybe 2.5, and maybe right there and here, and OK. So it really doesn't change anything. It just makes it a little bit smoother. Up to you. And that would be a wheel. You can change the material as well up here. I'm going to make it look a little bit more realistic. And I'm going to change this to Fine Textured Black. Oof, maybe not textured. Let's just go to maybe gunmetal polish. That's better. It looks more like a plastic. Okay. And if I wanted to add extra decals, like some circles for the spokes, I can maybe put a circle right here. Let's make this one 0.25, so it's 1/8 of an inch. And I'm going to make this come out 0.25 inches. Check. Extrude through here and do a cut like this. Say OK. It's going to put a little hole in it right there. Next thing I can do is do a circle pattern here. Click this baby. Revolve it around that many times. So that's what 6 looks like. Here's 7. I'm going to try 8. See what that does. Looks pretty good. Not bad. So you can keep spicing up the wheel and make it look as cool as you want. That is a really simple way to do it. And yeah, that's all. So pretty cool stuff.